All right, hopefully something that's not needed a lot, but we had a very strange alarm occur on our Fanuc Robo-drill during the middle of a tool change. So the Z-axis in this case was up and the tool was still sitting in the umbrella. So I yanked the tool out of the umbrella. Probably didn't have to do that part, but where the magic came in was if you go under Quick NC, you can go under the, let's see here, maintenance setting tab, and then you have a turret restoration. All you do is go into there. It'll ask you to hit reset to clear your alarms, and then it's going to ask you to hit cycle start. Put your rapid speed down slow, hit cycle start, and it will restore the tool changer for you. And then afterwards it's going to ask you which tool is in the spindle. You have to shut it off and turn it back on again, but after that you're good to go.